To use Revolut in Europe in 2023 and beyond, start by downloading the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, sign up for an account by providing your phone number, email address, and password. You will then be asked to provide identification, such as a passport or national ID card, to verify your identity. After verifying your identity, you will be able to add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your bank account. You can then use the Revolut app to exchange your money into different currencies, including euros, pounds, and dollars, at the current exchange rate. To use your Revolut card in Europe, simply add it to your phone's digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, or use the physical card to make purchases in store or online. You can also use the Revolut app to send money to friends or family, or to pay bills and invoices. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is that you can spend money abroad without incurring high fees or poor exchange rates. Revolut also offers a range of additional features, including real-time spending updates, budgeting tools, and travel insurance. To get the most out of Revolut, make sure to take advantage of its budgeting and tracking features, which allow you to set spending limits and track your expenses in real time. You can also use the app to split bills with friends, or to receive payments from others. In terms of security, Revolut uses state-of-the-art encryption and security measures to protect your money and personal data. Your money is also protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which means that your deposits are insured up to a certain amount. Overall, using Revolut in Europe is a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your money while traveling or living abroad. By following these steps and taking advantage of Revolut's features and benefits, you can make the most of your time in Europe and enjoy a hassle-free financial experience.